John Crestani Internet Jetset. Is it just fake and expensive ripoff? A copy and paste formula of doing affiliate marketing for beginners. In this video, I've taken a look at John Crestani's Internet Jetset. This will also cover some other searches, like Super Affiliate System, Super Affiliate System Review, John Crestani Review, John Crestani Fake, John Crestani Internet Jetset, John Crestani Copy and Paste, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. So, stay tuned on this video until the end.
You've been lied to. You've been lied to by the corporations, by the education system. They've told you you can become successful by working a job. They've told you can become successful by earning an hourly wage and working your way up. They've told you can become successful by following the rules and sticking the straight and narrow. And I'm here telling you, this is called a rack. This is called a rack of cash. This is $10,000. This is real money. You can smell it. This is how much money I earn every single day. Whether I get out of bed or not, I'm earning $10,000 every single day. And I'm interested in showing a few people. I'm going to peel back the curtain on what's happening, and I'm looking to take a few people on to show you the lies. If you're watching this video, you're one of very few people that are going to have access to this training. This training, they don't want you to know this information. They don't want you to know how you can actually live completely free, unbound from the shackles that are on your mind. I'm going to show you how to make money online using nothing more than a computer to make massive amounts of money with an internet connection and a computer without having to do sales, without having to know anything technical, without having to have an audience, social media following, subscribers, likes, followers, without having to outsource work. Now let me show you what I make each day. In case you don't believe me, this is just one of my accounts. Now what you'll see here, every single day, whether I work or not, whether I am out of bed, whether I am in Europe or America or Antarctica, this money comes in, and I'm going to show you in this training how you can do this too. So, I want to help people. This training is not going to be around for long. They don't want this training out there. They don't want this information out there. They don't want people like me in the world showing how it's really done. But I've slipped through the system. And I'm here showing you, I'm here declaring, I'm here making a message that you can too. The reason why you haven't is because you've come up through an education system that systematically, an education system, a corporate system, that systematically takes out your ability to go big and tap into the massive amounts of wealth that are out there. There are massive amounts of wealth out there. It's unbelievable. You just have to know how to tap into it. And it's not working a job. It's not earning an hourly wage. And in this training, I'm going to show you how. So there should be a link somewhere above, below, or on the side of this video, which will allow you to go to a site where you can register for this limited time training. On this training, depending on what session you register for, I will be showing you exactly how I earn this money online and exactly how you can too, following a step-by-step system that will allow you to make money as soon as tonight. So register for the training. This training will only be around for a limited time, and I look forward to helping you become successful. See you soon.